Hi everyone, my name is Paridhee Kumar and I've just finished my basic Vastu course with Pinnacle Vastu. I highly recommend Vikul sir and Pinnacle Vastu because Vikul sir delivers all the Vastu concepts with so many examples and case studies that understanding the concept becomes extremely easy. He has a great subject knowledge, he is extremely patient and he goes out of the line to address your doubts, your queries and ensures that anything that you have in mind is addressed. Not only this, his team follows his steps and they are extremely proactive in handling all the registration, inquiries and any other issue that you have. His courses are extremely doable. They are a value for money. Rather, they offer you a lot more than what you had thought for. Apart from all this, the remedies that Vaastu teaches are extremely doable and they do not put a high dent on your pocket. So, all those students who are aspiring to learn Vastu and even all those Vastu consultants who are out there, I would highly recommend that one should definitely do one or the other course that Vaastu is taking. So, once again, thank you Team Pinnacle and thank you Vaastu for making me a part of your family. Bye bye.